There are 3 types of volcanoes: active, like my one; dormant, sleeping; extinct. That means it happened long time ago. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Adheeb Zameer. I'm 4 years old, and today I'm going to do a volcanic experiment. The ingredients need a plastic bottle, 2 measuring cylinders, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, and scissor and tray after the volcano and the paper. Okay, I'm going to cut this circle and the line. Okay. I already poured some vinegar to make it easy for me in the measuring cylinder. And first I'm going to add some baking soda. Okay, wait. And some more. Next, we are going to add food coloring. No, some more. Okay, that's enough. We already added the baking soda. Now we are going to add food coloring 3 times. 1 time, next 2 times, 2 times, last time, 3 times. And now we are going to add washing liquid. Okay. Turn. Right. Sure, okay, on it. Down. That's enough. Oh, it's above it. My volcano. Now, final one. Vinegar to see the eruption. First one.